It can be really hard to remove a seized brake rotor, but I have 100% working solution for you. Okay, we need a bolt, just a regular bolt, couple washers. You can use upper and lower brake caliper bracket holes, put a bolt through and put a couple washers, and then start first nut. I will call that nut locker nut. Okay, you started that nut, screw it halfway, and then started another one. That first nut just behind the brake rotor, I call the pusher nut. That nut will actually push the rotor out. That works. Okay, we started. Just run that locker nut all the way up to the washer, make sure it's all tight, and then hold that locker nut with the wrench. And then we need a ratchet, and we'll start turning the bolt clockwise, and that will do the magic. Okay, safety goggles, because we're working with the tools. Make sure you're safe. Okay, I'm holding that locker nut, and I'm going to start turning that bolt. Okay, keep watching. It will be a real sound. And thank you so much again, and you will hear that pop, pop, pop. Be careful. Did you hear that crack? Pleasure. Okay, just turn it like 90 degrees. Go on the other side. Hear that pop? Beautiful. Get it loose. Turn it another 45. Turn more. Okay. Oh, sweet crack. So it's coming. Now, you just wiggled and take it out. Oh, pleasure. See? Just push it, and it was hard to take it out. This hub, see this, all rust and corrosion. Seized up, but we got it. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe. See you soon. Take care.